Okay, this really is more of a challenge because there's fractions involved. But again, I'm assuming it's an arithmetic, and I'll write this down. A1, looking at the first term, minus 7 quarters. And the common difference, I'll write it down for you. I have to do the arithmetic. It's going to be minus 19 eighths minus a minus 7 quarters, which is 7 quarters. And yeah, it's more of a challenge because there's a fraction involved. Common denominator would be 8. That would be minus 19 plus 14, which would be minus 5 eighths. So I'm going to say that D is minus 5 eighths. All right? Now let me see if that's true. All right, I'm going to see if I took the minus 5 eighths, added it to the minus 19, that would be minus 24. Yeah, minus 3. Looks pretty good. Now what I want to do is I want to write down A16. And what do you get there? Well, let's see. It's going to be A1, which is minus 7 quarters plus 15 times the common difference, which is minus 5 eighths. All right, I got to do the arithmetic. And, it looks a little sloppy. You might say, oh, gee, I'm working on the other piece of problem there. I'll just, pretend I'm doing homework. And homework that's not being handed in. Common denominator of 8, that would be minus 14. And then, it's minus, well, 5 times 15 is 75. Then what do you get there? That would be an 8. And let's see, you get minus 89, right? So A16 is minus 89 eighths. I see that there. All right, so I feel pretty good that I'm getting the answers that I'm expected to get. Now, someone says, what are you going to do now? I want to get the that partial sum. What partial sum are they talking about? Well, they're talking about S16 now. And that's going to be, let's see, 16. I'll write this down over 2. What's A1? Minus 7 quarters. And then minus 89 eighths. I got to do the arithmetic. It's not that bad. 2 goes into 16 8 times. Minus 7 quarters. Minus 89 eighths. And I'm actually going to distribute the number. And you're going to get minus 14. The reason that 4 goes into 2 times, and 2 times minus 7 is minus 14. Minus 89. Well, that's going to be what? Let's see if we can do that arithmetic over here. 89, 99, minus 103. We're getting those answers. And that's good news. We can move on. Thank you.